Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to apply filter in Excel sheet. Okay, so if you are using Microsoft Excel and you want to learn how to apply filter, okay, so I will show you how to do it. Okay, here you will see I have the list. Okay, now I want to find out a specific name and their data. Okay, so you can find out by scrolling, but you can apply a filter. Okay, so you can easily find out all these things. Okay, so apply filter, what you have to do, as I want to apply filter on this one. Okay, so they'll select that column. Okay, so I want to apply filter on F, select that column, then here you will see sort and filter option, click on it, and then here you will see filter option. Okay, now you will see here a small arrow, okay, is appeared. Now click on it, then here you will see you can choose any one of them. As I want to choose this one, so just click on apply filter. Okay, now if I close this, here you will see only this name's data is available. So like this you can apply filter in Excel. Okay, so if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.